Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add an Ulta gift card to the app. Really easy and simple. First, make sure you have actually installed the Ulta Beauty app on your phone. Open up the app and log into your account. And if you don't have an account, just tap on sign up, create an account. Then what I want you to do is go ahead and tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. You'll see these three horizontal lines. Click on that and then I want you to select wallet from the menu. Now, in the wallet section, you want to tap on add gift card or manage payment methods. Now just enter the gift card number and PIN. You'll find this at the back of your physical card or in your email if it's digital. And then just go ahead and tap to save it to your account. Okay, tap on add. And then once added, your gift card balance will basically appear in your wallet. And now when you shop online or in store, you can just use it during checkout. So if you want to do it in store, you just show the barcode from the wallet section to the cashier. If you're doing online shopping, the gift card will basically appear as a payment option at checkout. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.